Hey guys, Brandy here. Today we're gonna go over Thursday, August 8th. There are 2 mods, roughly 20 minutes apiece. The first mod we're gonna be focusing on is a barbell movement, strict press into push jerk. So our goal is to find a very heavy strict press. What I mean by that is we are not using any sort of bounce or assistance from our legs. Please note that where this bar is located and how I exit the rig is only for demonstration purposes and not how I expect you to do it in a gym setting, okay? So when we go into our our strict press position, we want the bar at our shoulders, elbows underneath the bar, knuckles towards the ceiling. Slight bend in the knees, but we're not using any sort of push position from the lower half of our body. So big deep breath. Lock in the core, squeeze the booty, push the bar above your head with ears in between the biceps. You are locked out at the top. We're looking for a heavy, strict press position. Once we find our heavy 4, we're gonna turn it into a jerk, we're gonna turn it into a push press, then a push jerk. So the push press is where we start to add a little bit of that Oompa Loompa dip, drive up to the top, or the top half of a thruster, if you will. We're looking to finish out the reps as a push press. As we get tired, we will turn it into a push jerk, which is the double dip position. So dip, and as you start to explode up, you drop your body underneath the bar. So now we use more assistance from the legs to stand up. More intense or accurate description of these movements, you're gonna go through your strict push position, your strict press position. Then once we're tired, we'll use the push press. That adds some legs, and then the push jerk allows you to add even more legs. So that is mod number 1. Mod number 2, we're going into farmer carry. These are light weights for demonstration purposes only. With dumbbells or kettlebells, our goal is to walk as if we're in a pageant. Shoulders pulled down and back, proud chest, and you're attempting to glide from one end of the gym to the other. So farmer carry down and back. Again, can be done with kettlebells as well. The kettlebell swing. Your very first starting position is a wide leg position, dumbbell underneath the body, underneath the eyes. You're gonna load the the kettlebell back and explode up to roughly eye height. If you're going way above your head, we should probably add a heavier weight. Grabbing the kettlebell, launch it back, drive the hips forward, 15 kettlebell swings. Once you finish your swings, you're on the bike for 21 calories. You're going for 3 rounds of that before you move on to the secondary triple set of exercises. The next 3 sets are kneeling wood chop. So with the kneeling wood chop, whatever side the leg is down, the weight is down. If the leg is up, the weight is up. It is a power, then a control move. Starting with the dumbbell by your side, as if you're gonna huck it over your back like a bag of potatoes. Drive up, control with your back, slow it back down. Drive up with control, slow it back down. You'll do all of those reps, all 8 on one side, then switch to the other side. Next move is plank pull through. This is an anti-hip rotation, not about how heavy we can move a weight with our back. So with anti-hip rotation, we're gonna be in a high plank position, tuck your hips under, and what I mean by that is either the top of your shorts or the top of your tights, you're trying to get that as close to your sternum as possible. So tuck your hips under. I'm grabbing with my right, pulling to my right. Find that solid plank position, grabbing with my left, pulling to my left. This can also be done on the knees as your first safe option. The final move of this one is calories on the rower. Yes, we are doing a lot of calories today. So wood chop, plank pull through, then calories on the rower. That is your Thursday, August 8th.